Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of material testing. Have you ever wondered how engineers and scientists determine the strength, durability, and performance of materials? Well, you're in the right place because we're about to explore the exciting field of material testing. Material testing is a crucial process that plays a vital role in various industries such as aerospace, automotive, construction, and even medicine. Its primary objective is to evaluate the quality and properties of different materials under various conditions. By doing so, engineers can make informed decisions about which materials are best suited for specific applications. Now, let's delve deeper into the various methods used in material testing. One common technique is tensile testing. In this test, a sample of the material is subjected to a pulling force until it reaches its breaking point. By measuring the applied force and the resulting deformation, engineers can determine several important properties, including tensile strength, elongation, and Young's modulus. Another method frequently used in material testing is impact testing. This test assesses a material's ability to withstand sudden loads or forces. A swinging pendulum or a falling weight is used to strike the material, and the amount of energy absorbed or transmitted during the impact is measured. This information helps engineers determine the material's toughness and resistance to fracture. In addition to tensile and impact testing, there are various other techniques employed in material testing. Fatigue testing, for example, involves subjecting the material to repeated loading and unloading cycles to simulate its behavior under real-life conditions. Hardness testing, on the other hand, measures a material's resistance to indentation, scratching, or abrasion. These different tests collectively provide a comprehensive understanding of the material's properties and performance characteristics. In conclusion, material testing is an essential aspect of engineering and manufacturing processes. Through various testing methods, engineers can evaluate the properties and performance of different materials, ensuring their suitability for specific applications. Material testing enables us to develop safer, more efficient products and push the boundaries of technology. So, the next time you come across a sturdy building or a reliable car, remember that material testing played a significant role in making it possible. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.